Steve Jobs has got a lot to answer for. Did he not realize that by inventing the iPad, he was going to present headaches all across the world for IT management, like me? Don't get me wrong, I think they're wonderful devices, but they have a tendency to create stealth projects within a company that can cripple an IT department. Our executive staff and board have started using iPads in meetings for note-taking. They're fantastic. Then after a short time, the executives expected to use the email and calendaring function as well as scan our intranet and view report information. This was the first of our stealth projects, a project that had not been forecasted, costed, or scheduled. But given where the request had come from, we were obliged to enable these devices to connect to our email and intranet networks. Fortunately, this process wasn't too difficult, and they've found the use of these devices to be tremendously productive. Unfortunately, this same group now thinks it would be great to spread this greatly untapped productivity potential to our sales force. Specifically, they would like to provide our worldwide salesfolk with iPads to allow them real-time access to all company information while they are on site with our customers and prospects. And now, the unstoppable force has met the immovable object. The unstoppable force is the mobile device that is important for productivity and cannot be ignored. The immovable object is the customer system that is part of the enterprise resource planning, or ERP application on the host. We are a manufacturing company, and the whole company runs off this application. It can't be changed. I needed a solution that would allow this old but critically important application to be used with new and continuously changing devices. A quick search on Google for Mobile Now brought up the answer I was looking for: Attachmate's Mobile Now Solutions. Using the VeriStream component of Mobile Now, I can have an iPad or any other mobile device accessing the host ERP system within minutes. Better than that, I can insert custom layouts and modify the flow of the ERP application to better match the needs of an iPad user. But this part of the project can be scheduled according to the IT workload. The executives quite like me at the moment because I have enabled the sales force to be more productive. In fact, the entire sales force was given access to the CRM systems in the ERP in less than 24 hours and with no modifications to the host. And rather than reacting to requests, I can be proactive by continuously adding tablet-specific enhancements, all within our schedule of projects. Bring your own device is here to stay. Make sure you bring your own Attachmate solution as well, and give them a call.